Introduce features highlight or overview summary about Pokitter Go Pro portable projector native 1080p, 4K supported, Wi-Fi projector Netflix licensed. Android TV 10.0 movie projector with 9000 lumens. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Features highlight or overview summary are include. Licensed fund by Android TV and Netflix. From YouTube, Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, to Disney Plus and more, this Android TV-powered Bluetooth projector lets you stream whatever you like right out of the box. Mini in size, big in power, Pokitter Go Pro has a smaller footprint than most 1080p Wi-Fi projectors. And it's portable, lightweight, and bright enough, up to 200 ANSI lumens, for vibrant, cinema-like viewing even outdoors. This coconut-sized mini projector can deliver precise color accuracy and incredible contrast on a max 120-inch screen space. Setup is a snap. Set up your palm-sized theater to wherever you like. Use the intuitive remote to zoom, from 50% to about 100%, and adjust its 4 points. Automatic vertical keystone correction will adjust the projected screen up to 40 degrees to give you the best viewing experience. Do more with Google Assistant. Press the Google Assistant button and ask Google to search for the latest blockbuster, stream shows or open multiplayer games. Have it dim the lights by connecting smart home devices. Or ask it questions and see the answers right on the big screen. Maximum connectivity. You can wirelessly cast entertainment from any Apple/Android device, thanks to its built-in Chromecast and wireless connectivity capacity including 2.4/5 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.1. Its built-in dual 5-watt speakers produce dynamic audio that fills your room. And for more immersive viewing, simply pair your home theater projector with wireless or wired hi-fi sound bars or headphones. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.